right now. We're going on a hayride. Check it out. Look at those big tires. Whoa! Wow! Take me away, tractor driver. What's cool about hay rides is that we actually see a tractor run. We are standing on just this big wooden pallet and we get to actually sit on hay and get around. Motion is so cool. Seeing any vehicles in motion is so cool. Check it out. Look at these big wheels. Look at the seat. Oh, the sun's in my eyes. Oh, actually, as I close my eyes, and you can close your eyes at home too, we can imagine you're on a hayride. Do you guys want to imagine with me? You do it, because I'm actually on a hayride. You guys, look, a pumpkin patch. We were just at a pumpkin patch. Look at all different shapes and sizes. Look at them all. So cool. Just like what we did in the beach episode, friends. Remember I made that headdress out of seaweed? Now I could be the princess of hay. Hey, hey, ah! Look at those cows! Oh my gosh, they're huge. They're beautiful. Friends, they're beautiful. What? The cows are in front of the tractor. I love nature. Chugga chugga, moo moo. Look at these. Hey, Jerry. Will they let you touch them?
Yeah, some of them will. Maybe this white one, number 11, usually comes up all the time.
Hey, guys. Oh, they're so beautiful. Hi. They're bigger than I ever could imagine. They're huge. Look at them.
Most of them aren't even 2 years old yet.
What?
No, they won't be 2 till the end of this month.
Hi. Hey, you're so amazing. Hi. Hi. You're so beautiful. Look at how big you are. Hey. Oh my God, they're so cool. Hi. Hi. It's okay. Nice to meet you. Oh my God, they're so cool.